Hello guys, now IEBC, I'm on your case. You guys have mandate to announce the official campaign period, which is supposed to be next year around May. But we've been seeing campaign as early as 2023, continuous campaigns. Anyway, wacha tuseme, because you are not in office, wacha tuachane na hizo miaka zingine. Let us deal with last year and this year. You've been seeing campaign going on, but you are saying nothing about it. Recently, tumeona campaigns zina cause even death ya vijana, the same vijana wale nyinyi you want to register. Vijana wanaenda tu, and you are saying nothing. You should condemn the campaigns, the early campaigns that are going on in the country from both sides, either opposition or the government. But nyinyi mmenyamaza tu, muko tu. You should condemn those early campaigns and put penalties on all those politicians that are doing early campaigns. Remember guys, we must talk about Kenya because Kenya is our business.